Welcome, in front of me say Denver SDQ, and today I'll show you how to reset the device through the factory mode. And to get started, let's hold power key and disregard random app opening. So hold power key, select power off. Once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume down, so both of those keys at the same time. And you want to hold the power key till you see the logo of the device, at which point you can let go of the power key, or well, in this case it's just Android, but you want to keep holding the volume down, and that should take you to the factory mode. Now in here, using volume down only to navigate, you want to select the third option from the bottom, which has the eMMC. It's clear eMMC actually, but it's, well, not necessarily in English. So once it's selected, press power key and the device will begin removing all the data. Now this will take about a minute or so, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.